Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am here with a new problem sum of Olympiad. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's begin. We have root under x plus 1 plus root under x plus 2 is equals to root under x plus 4x plus 5. So now we will solve this. See, there may be lots of other process to solve this, but I chose to square it both sides so that we can easily remove this square root. Fine. So when we will square this both side, see, root under x plus 1 plus of root under x plus 2 is equals to root under 4x plus 5 whole square. Fine. Now see, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we will write a square plus of 2ab plus of b square. Fine. That is equals to this and this get cancelled out. So we have 4x plus 5. Fine. Now see, here we can cancel this out easily. So this is x plus 1 plus of this we will keep as it is, that is x plus 1 and x plus 2. Fine. Now plus of we have x plus 2 here. Now 4x plus of 5. Fine. Now here this is x plus x, that is 2x plus of a square. So x plus 1 plus 2 x plus 2. Fine. Fine. Now 2x, this is x plus x is 2x. This is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3. Now we will bring this also here. So this will be minus of 4x minus of 5 plus of 2 x plus 1 x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now what we have? Here we have minus of 2x. Here we have minus of 2. Fine. Now plus of 2 root under x plus 1, or let me do one thing. Fine. Let me do one thing. We will take this right hand side. So this is minus of 2 root under x plus 1 x plus 2. See here why I have made it aside, because we have root here. So it will be more easier to remove this root rather than keeping it here and squaring it both sides, because that will bring lots of more complications. So now we can take minus 2 common. So we have x plus 1. Right? We have x plus 1. So here we have x plus 1 and here we have minus 2 root under x plus 1 and x plus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled out. Now we have x plus 1 and this. Now we will square it both sides again. So when we will square it both sides, this get cancelled out. So we have a square plus of 2ab plus ab. So fine, this will be 2x 1 square, that is x plus 1 and x plus 2. So here x square plus of 2x plus of 1. See here, if you multiply this, you will get a square plus of this 2x plus of x plus of 2. So x square plus of 2x plus of 1 minus of x square minus of 3x x. 2x plus x is 3x minus of 2, that is equals to 0. Now x square and x square get cancelled out. So we have 2x minus 3x. So that will be minus of x plus 1 minus 2, that is minus of 1. Fine. That is equals to 0. So when you will take x common, so we will have x plus 1 is equals to 0. So you will, or what you can do, minus of x is equals to positive 1, x is equals to minus of 1. Therefore, we got the value of x is equals to minus of 1. I hope you understood how we got this value. So final value of x, that is equals to minus 1. If you want to check, then you can also go here use all this x minus 1 in this equation. See here, root under x is minus 1 of plus 1 plus of minus 1 plus 2 4 minus 1 plus 5. See, this is 0 plus here this is plus of 1. So here this is 4. So here we have 4 plus 5, that is, so here we have root under plus 1, that is equals to root under plus 1. See, here we have proof that the value x is equals to minus 1 is true. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Bye bye.